What's up guys, it's your girl K-Dash. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be trying on some Savage X Fenty items. We coming back with another one. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. All right, y'all, so y'all know that it's no secret, pun intended, that Rihanna has been beating out Victoria's Secret for a while now with the little things, the prices, I don't even know how to explain how she has dominated the lingerie world, I guess. I don't know, but y'all personally, y'all know I love Rihanna, so I'm gonna stand her regardless. But she really been doing a thing like with her Savage show. Blew Victoria's Secret out of the park. Actually, I'm not even gonna say Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna just say all other lingerie brands because I don't want to get sued or nothing like that. But anywho, y'all know I like to open the items, so I haven't even looked at some of the items yet, y'all. So I ordered it like a couple weeks ago, and I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys. So we're about to open it now. Okay. If you're new to the Fenty gang, you might not know, but if you aren't new, then you know that she comes out with like collections every few months, or maybe every month. I don't know, but it's usually like a membership exclusive kind of deal type of thing. Like they make really cute. They work with, like, they collab with other people and they make these collections. They're really cute. So this was the one collection that I thought was adorable. I had to get something from it, but I didn't get exactly what I wanted from it. I wanted the jumpsuit, but that's neither here or there. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. It's this collection. I can't remember the name of it, but like I said, I bought it a couple months ago. But it has like little naked women's on it, women silhouettes, I should say. It's really cute. This is like a lounge bra, kind of. Like, it's not any type of support. It's very see-through. It's just like, I'm here, it's cute, I'm aware, woman empowerment, yes, type of thing. And hold on, I wish it told me the collection on the tags, but it's the Adam Salmon collection, I think. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, if they have anything up there, y'all, these are really cute. And if you know this print, you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the jumpsuit that they had. I think if you know all the YouTubers, Diera was wearing it, and like I think Kennedy was wearing it, Kennedy Simone. Like, they were just really cute, and I just really wanted it, but it sold out so quickly. But this one's really cute, and it came with the matching panties, which also look like this. I will not be trying them on, unfortunately. This bra, what the heck? I'll try the bra on. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm trying this bra on a bra I was already wearing, and it is also a Savage X Fenty bra, and it looks actually pretty decent. Like, if you wanted to wear it, I guess, out like this, instead of like with pasties, you could put just a black bra underneath it, and it doesn't look bad. You can definitely see the woman print now on it. It's really cute. For anyone that was wondering, if I haven't said it yet already, I am a 32, like going on 34 B. So 32B in the bra size, and then I'm pretty sure I got this the regular, like this one, in a size small. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it had exact bra sizes, but if it did, I probably got it in a 32 or 34B. And yeah, same thing with the panties. I don't think they had, like, you know how panties can come in like 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't think they have those. I think I got it just in a small, and they're really cute. These are fully see-through, so I will absolutely not be showing this, but you can see in the inside that it does come with the cotton part for your little areas, so you will not be fully exposed if you decide to wear these. I think I saw somebody pair it, like they wore them because they were a little high-waisted, and they wore them with like low-rise jeans, and it looked really, really cute because it looks like it's like a stocking. Really, really cute. I don't know how I feel about this set. I love the set. Let me take that back. I love this set. I don't know how I feel about wearing it out, but it's very, very cute. You definitely can wear it out if you want to. This is completely up to you. No judgment zone over here. So I'm gonna show you the new set. All right, guys, so this next set, I think on here, does it say? Oh, it doesn't say, but it's basically like the logo, the Savage X Fenty logo sleepwear set, where it has the cami and well, bralette cami thing, and it has the leggings set. I saw this on Instagram as well, and I thought I really wanted like the basic ones, because like I don't really wear color like that. So oh, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to be unboxing this with y'all, sorry. Okay, y'all see the wrapping, and y'all see the paper coming off. This is what the bralette looks like. Super cute. I think everybody really just needs like a loungewear set, and I'm so glad that Savage Fenty has those. And if you can tell, it's, you know, rainbow. I think they call it party foil on the website. It's really, really cute, but like I said, I would have rather gotten the basic like black and white loungewear set they have, because if you can see, it also is in a different type of font than the other ones are, which is not a problem. It's not a problem. It's really cute. If you're wondering how it fits, don't worry about it. I'm going to put it on. I'm just gonna show you guys the items first before I put the set on, because it doesn't make sense for me to wear the cropped and then wear the pants, you know, separately. So just for the flow of the video, I'm gonna show you both the items first and then try them on, and then I'll give you guys my review. So yeah, this is the bralette in the party foil on, you know, the Savage Fenty site. Okay, last but certainly not least, we have the logo leggings, the party foil logo leggings. They're really, really long. Oh, there's another thing on it. Really, really cute. Ooh. And the party foil is also at the bottom with the X on it, like the other ones, but just, you know, more fancy, I guess. They feel really nice off rip. They feel like the Nike Pro leggings, if you know what I'm talking about. They feel like that type. They feel athletic, like I could wear these to the gym, which is really good because we like universal stuff. It has really good stretch to it. I probably could have got an extra small, but I believe I got a small. Yep, I got a small in the pants, and then probably a small or a 32B in the top. It feels really, really good. Okay, so I'm excited to try these on. I'm gonna go try these on for you guys and then come back and show you guys how the set looks together. This is the top, and it looks really, really good. Like I said, I got a size small, and it fits pretty well. There are no adjustable straps on the bralette, so if you are, you know, big titty committee, you probably should get a bigger size. Even if you're like small, like you don't wanna, it's not a lot of room. Like it's very snug, it fits. And these are the tights. They look really, really good. Hold on, I don't know how to show you guys the bottom. They look like these. They look really good, and they come all the way down to the ankle. The stretch and the leggings are really, really nice. Like I said, they feel more comfy than the Nike Pro ones. You know, the elastic ones I'm talking about? Y'all know what I'm talking about. They're way more softer, but they fit like those. Like they hug your body, and they're really, really nice. You can pull them up as high as you need to, or you can wear them lower. It's really up to you, but it's really, really cute set. Now I gotta go get other colors, but I'm just really excited about this one because it is different, and I think it was limited edition, I'm not really sure, but yes, definitely a good buy. I think I have the membership, so I'm pretty sure I only paid like $20 out of pocket for this plus the shipping. So yep, really, really cute, guys. All right, guys, that is the end of this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and go ahead and go check out my other Savage X Fenty reviews if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because why not? Like, it's free, girl. Stay safe, stay woke, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.